What is up, guys? Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, it's just a quick update. I wanted to give you a little last walk around on the 68 bay window bus. It is sold. Sold to this really cool guy out in LA, and he's gonna keep it out here. He's gonna take all the Volkswagen shows and whatnot. First bus, he had bugs, he said before, but he never had a bus. So, yep, all loaded up on a ramp truck. It's 6 in the morning right now. Got this guy warming up, and check out how close I got it. It's like, I don't know, 3 inches, 4 inches. So we're all strapped up and we're taking this thing down to LA. It's funny, I bought it in LA and it's going back to LA. I can't tell you how many times that happens when I buy and sell cars. I'll buy a car like Huntington Beach and I'll take it back to Huntington Beach when I go to sell it. So funny stuff like that. But yeah, I just want to give you guys the last look at this thing. It came out super dialed. I'm super stoked with it. I loved how that rear bumper looks. I didn't have a chance to film the rear bumper going on just because time and stuff like that, and that rear jerry can looks sick, and old blue plates on it. This thing has such a good look to it. All the original deluxe trim is on it, and yeah, I got the big old emblem in the front, all that metal work we had to do. Stoked on this thing, but you know, it's got to go. Glad to see go to a new owner who really loves it. You know, there'll be another one. Comes to me, I'm always looking for old buses and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna head out to LA and deliver this thing. Just dropped off the bus. The guy was super excited to get it, and yeah, it's sad to see that thing go. That thing was a real gem. But on the way home, we're gonna stop by my buddy Michael's house and look at his ramp truck. I don't even know if he's home, but his ramp truck's always parked out front. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out right now. Okay, so right behind me is the only other ramp truck I know about in this area. This guy Michael owns it. Check it out. It has like an International Harvester, I think, front end or something like that. Not too familiar with it. Yeah, International front end on this thing. But it's on an RV chassis as well, I believe. And check out his bed. This ramp truck was built a long time ago. It's not anything new or anything like that, but he's got the big old wing on top of it, and this thing looks totally sweet. It looks totally like retro, you know? I wanted to bring mine over now that it's done, put it next to it just to see what it looks like. Honestly, the beds are about the same size. Not too much different in the beds at all. But the length of his cab is obviously way bigger than mine, so mine ends up being a lot shorter. Probably a good, I don't know, almost like 5 feet probably shorter in the front end. But I wonder how his cruises. It'd be interesting to ride in that thing. So yeah, there's a side-by-side with 2 ramp trucks. I just drove this thing all the way out to LA. Did great all the way. But it's funny. I feel like they're so, like, these things are so totally different, but similar. And we're back home and there's no bus in the back anymore, so that's kind of sad. But it was really cool stopping by Michael's house and seeing his ramp truck. It's really interesting. I guess mine would be like a ramp van since I have a van friend, and I don't even know. I should start calling it the ramp van. I don't know. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see how that thing drove compared to mine. Mine drives pretty smooth, so I'd like to see how smooth his drives. I'm sure his drives, you know, probably just as good or better, who knows. His is a lot older than mine though, so who knows? I have no idea. I've never been in another ramp truck. That's the only one I've ever seen in real life before. I think I saw one at Formula Drift actually. So maybe I've seen 2 other ones. But anyways, that's where I'm gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. Thank you so much for watching.